Good morning, Internet. Or, good afternoon now. Don't look at my messy kitchen. We're playing outside. What'd you say?
I'm playing Spy.
You're playing Spy?
My mission was to defeat all the enemies, which are all in that grass area. I'm pretending that...
My mushrooms keep falling over.
I'll help you with this, Mom. Like, one is supposed to be Nomio's mush. One is supposed to be shroom, and the other is supposed to be... Like, that one is Nomio's mushroom, and we tried to make that one Juliet's, but she has a frog instead, but we did a mushroom for, like, that's the red shroom, and that's Nomio's shroom.
From Romeo and Juliet?
Yeah, that's Nomio. It's like their shrooms. But that's, he has a shroom. Yeah, we're actually doing this, but... Okay, back to my spot. You want it back? Oh no, the hat! They're going to attack me! Yeah! You want it all? But you're gonna get it, because I'm a spy! Everything you can walk on. I'm just pretending.
What's baby doing? What are you doing, sweetie? Just walking outside. My yard looks pretty now. We've had it landscaped. Cherry tree? What kind of tree is this? Sweet cherry. What should we do now, little one? There's a big ball. I bet I could kick it far. Should we see? Yeah! Aw, into the blackberry bush. Or a blueberry bush. Gamma, you need shoes. Oh, you got shoes. Do you want me to get your jacket? You're not cold?
No.
Tough creeper guy? What happened? Your maraca broke?
I think because I was banging on that. I was pretending it was the dispensers, but...
Aww.
You think you can glue it back together?
Where'd the things that were inside of it go?
Fell out.
I can glue it though.
Yeah.
We'll have to put beans in it.
Yeah, you can just put... Yeah, by the way, I think they were ladybug beans.
Well, I don't have any ladybug beans sitting around.
But do you
Look
have...
at all this moss under the table, guys.
Oh, that looks pretty cool.
That's weird.
Also,
why is it only under the table?
because, Mom, moss grows in shaded areas.
It does?
Yeah. Learned that in class.
Ugh.
School.
Cigarettes too. Yuck. I'm gonna have to yell at Grandma for that. No cigarettes on my land.
So we're gonna try to make this video till...
Hi, which one should we get? That one? Or that one?
The top of the countertop is at 47.5 inches. Probably about 1.5 inches thick. So it's about 40. So as long as they're under 40 inches.
30. That one's 39. And that one's 38.
Oh, that's not gonna make any difference. We're fine either way. Because yeah, if the top is at 47.5, that means that it's really like...
Trying to see if it will fit.
Did you measure from the floor or from the bottom of it?
From the floor. I like the square one.
Yeah, there's like little adjustable legs there to level it.
Oh. I didn't think about that. Ugh.
Yeah, there doesn't seem to be any leveling thing.
You see me? Hi. So these ones?
Let's go by top loading one.
These ones are cool and have
What is
a...
this one?
It won't turn on. I want to touch the thing.
Oh, there it goes.
It turned on.
Wow.
Whoa, I can't see it on. like the square one. Talk about houndstooth some more.
Too bad these are yellow.
What is
They're
that?
pretty cool and orange.
Ah.
And partial.
What?